All right, let's see if we can do this. So we're going to transition hex to decimal. It'll also work the same way. So what it is, I wrote, there's your binary, which is a 0 or is a 2-bit numbering system. 2 to the 0 power equals 1. 2 to the 1 equals 2, and so on. 2 to the second, 2 to the third, 2 to the fourth, out to your total of 8 bits. You end up with 2 to the 7th power because you start with 0. You have to count it as a character. That's worth 128. You're done with decimal at that point. You roll to a new octet. Hexadecimal, you got 16 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 is represented by A, 11 by B, 12 by C, 13 by D, 14 by E, and 15 by F. Over on this side, you can see a chart. Decimal. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way down to 15. They're represented in hex 0 through 9, then A through F. If you do the binary conversion for each of these numbers, the decimal base number, this is what it looks like, right? So if you do that ahead of time, you can take F is going to be 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 3 is represented by 0, 0, 1, 1. And then your X is going to be 0, 0, 0, which is just, this indicates, hey, begin and read your number here. It's a way to truncate a long IPv6 address into only the required decimals. This just means everything ahead of that is leading zeros. So don't worry about them because they're just going to zero out. So if you take all these out, you end up with a binary representation of 6 ones. If you take 6 ones out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these will be zeros, and add these up, you get 32, 48, 56, 60, 62, 63. So that's where the answer 63 comes from with a request of 0x3f. You can do it the other way. Let's say you had a 68 was your answer. Represent that as hex. You would just go back the same way. You go 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. And then you begin breaking these up into octets. And in this case, what would happen is you see a 0, 1, 0, 0 is represented by 4. And 0, 1, 0, 0 is represented by 4. Your answer for a 68 represented by hex 0x44. So I'm going to send you this. Then I'll call you. We'll sync back up.